What type of camera?
Yeah.
Shoot, get one of them,
When I get the professional one?
Professional?
I'm seeing phone when you travel, we take those pictures.
Mm.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, filming. Always filming.
Oh, this is freaking hot.
Always filming. Let's see what we got over here, though. It's a
Got
cheat day, so I got the popcorn on deck.
You started cheat day early.
Yeah, we started cheat day a little early.
You ate 6 cups of popcorn.
That's a lie.
Look
Broccoli.
at look at the measurement on the side of the bowl. You see the cups? It goes up to 12.
You see that? That's almost full right there.
Lies.
Ooh, there go my plate right there. But obviously I ate too much popcorn, so you did. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Well, Sharonda's not eating meat this week, but
It's Friday. It's Friday. But this
how many
has
pieces
been
are
baked.
there? Can you see that?
It has been baked in the oven. Get my boobies out of there.
Oh, yep, my bad.
It has been baked.
Okay.
Mrs. Dash.
She said no meat, man. And then she said one. Then she said one chicken leg.
I've only eaten one so far. Big head. He's actually creating this Facebook page right now. Say hi. He think he's swole because he been in the gym a couple of days. Don't try to flex. Soft flex. Age restriction.
Yeah.
It's that bottom lip. I know the words may get caught sometime. All restrictions.
No countries allowed.
No countries allowed. No country for old men. You call me a cornball.
Profanity filter. On. Medium.
Right. We don't need any profanity.
So medium or strong? So strong?
So what's strong?
That's the options. Off, medium, or strong.
Let's do medium.
Alright.
Always trying to run game on somebody. It never fails.
Here it goes. Replies. Comments.
Comments. We're making our Facebook page right now as we speak.
So we can allow replies to comments. Oh.
It's kind of confusing.
What?
He's thinking.
Yes. A little progress on uploading. What's this? The channel art
On YouTube.
on YouTube. Hey. Oh, see that? She about to get those bad boys off. You see those perfectly aligned teeth ready to roll? Yeah. First video.
Uh-huh.
Sharonda hooked up a chicken.
Baked chicken.
And rice casserole, which is delicious.
He's just saying that.
Yes.
The truth is, he don't have nothing else to eat. You gonna sit down?
Nope. I'm not gonna pee though.